it's Jamie, J&G Auto Recon. We're just gonna do a quick wash and clay on this. Anyways, Mazdaspeed 3, Salt City cars, go follow him, dude's an amazing photographer. So we're just gonna clay bar this little section over here, and I'm gonna show you, you can hear it. This car hasn't been clayed, so all I'm gonna do is I have some O&R, and I got a clay mitt. All I'm gonna do is you're gonna ton of water or whatever solution. If you have a clay solution or you're just using water or soap, so you're gonna be liberal with it, spray a lot, and you're gonna grab your mitt or whatever, you're just gonna hit it. Get it really, really good. And then just wipe down the area you did, and you can totally just feel it. You heard the sound before, now there's smooth, 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 baby's butt right there. These mitts, you can buy these on Amazon. I think they're about 22 bucks. There's a lot of different brands. Some of the cheaper ones don't really work as well, but I'm finding most of them that are out there work. You just have to work a little bit harder. This is what we use. If you have a DA or a polisher, get the attachment for your polisher and put it on. Like I said, this is what I like. This is what we have right now. So again, just go over your whole paint. So like I said, you don't really need to scrub that hard. Mainly just moving your hand across your paint, it's gonna get it. So what clay barring is you're removing any overspray, fallout, anything, decontamination, anything that adheres and sticks to your paint. So a lot of different metals, when it gets hot and cold, they'll adhere to your paint. You always need a clay. Clay in your car is better than polishing. Clay first, clay first. If you're gonna do something, anything to your paint, you want to clay it first. Ceramic coating, any type of polish and sealants, if you put anything on your paint, it's going to adhere better and get a lot deeper shine and deeper finish on your paint. So clay barring is a must. I'd rather clay bar my car than polish it. Like it traps everything in there. So these are only good for so long. But like I said, I've done quite a few cars with this, so it lasts a good amount of time. You can totally feel right off the bat, you know, how good the paint feels. So typically, right when you're done claying, I would just immediately put some wax or some type of paint sealant. If you polish a car without clay barring it destroys your pads. So we just wrapped up the clay bar. Now I'm just going to put some, it's called beads, Rennie Doyle collection, P&S. Go find this online or whatever your local detailer. How I put this on, you can use this as a, I don't know, quick detailer. You can use it, but I put quite a bit on there. Make sure you got a clean microfiber. And just rub it on. So this is like a paint sealant. So it just gives that nice gloss and little layer of protection on your paint. All right, well, we're all done. Did a clay bar and a spray on sealant. Beads Maker is the stuff. There's a lot of other brands, but right now this is what I'm using. Thank you. Subscribe, comments, follow me on Instagram, J&G Auto Recon, website, utahceramiccoating.com. If you guys need anything, you're in Salt Lake or Utah County, let me know. Peace, take care.